Hi ladies, just a quick video as requested by you. Oh my goodness, thank you for all of your emails the last few days. I have got around to actually replying to most people myself, and if I've not replied to you yet and you've asked me a question, I will before the end of the week, I promise. But so many have asked me for this video, so I'm just going to do it really quickly. So LLE tips on how to use. Here we go. I've got two shades here, Lighthearted and Fairer Soul. So I'm going to do Lighthearted first. I'm going to do it around here, and I'm just putting it always on the back of my hand and then on my skin, and I'm going to use my fingers, and I'm going to talk you through the different application techniques and how to get different types of coverage depending on what you need. Okay, so I'm just dabbing the Lighthearted first around where I think I need it, a little bit of redness, pigmentation, age spots, that sort of thing. And then with Fairer Soul, I've lost a nail, don't judge, I'm going to get them fixed before the weekend. I'm putting it in the corners here, and I'm putting it above my eyes, and then I'm going to show you how to work it into the skin. Okay, I'm going to put some here and here to lift. Okay, so if you want more coverage, you use your ring finger and you press. Now when I'm putting it underneath my eyes, I never really take it beyond this point. I do the pressing with my finger, the warmth, making sure that I've got the coverage up until here, and then I just, whatever's left on my finger, I'll just sort of sweep. So I'm going to finish that off in a sec, but on my eyelids where it's thinner skin and I don't want full coverage, I'm sweeping. So sweeping across the skin will give you less coverage, patting where you need more coverage. And this makes it, I think using your fingers just really makes it look like it's part of your skin, so it makes it look really, really natural. You can do the same thing with the brush though. So you can press it in with a brush. I like those flat brushes for concealer. Either small or larger flat brushes. I know a lot of people use the fluffy brushes, but for coverage, I think the flat brushes are better. So if you're using your fingers, you pat it into the skin, use this one, pat it into the skin, and then I'm just the excess, I'm sweeping up. And on the top, I'm taking it from my lash line right up to my brow bone. So from the lash line right up to my brow bone. Around here, I'm gonna press it because I've got redness, but just on my nose. I'm going to go over really, really gently, sweeping over my chin. Don't need too much coverage there. A little bit more coverage here, so I'm going to press it into the skin where I've got some redness, some hormonal sort of spots and little marks. There we go. So that is how you get the different types of coverage. And then a few ladies have said to me, then they've got that sort of flat look. How do they get back their glow? So straight afterwards, if you had more time, obviously you'd press that in a little bit more, but you get the idea. I just wanted to give you the technique for now. Has anybody got one of these makeup bags? I literally love them. I'm obsessed. Everything I need fits in them. I literally love it. I'm just going to get my HTG to show you. So this is African Ruby to match my top. So once you've concealed all over, I am going on the school pickup in a minute, so I do want to make sure that I press that into the skin so I don't look ridiculous. Okay, then to get back the glow, I do think HTG makes such a big difference. Now the application for blush is you can do the top, never the apples. Don't smile now, and like we used to when we were younger, and put it here. If you want to lift, put it higher. So you can do the cheeks but higher, start higher and upwards. And again, you press it into the skin and this will lift and give you that glow back. So just apply it a little bit higher than you used to when you were younger. Yeah, get it to the top here, still in the center, but higher up and lift. And you don't need much, but you can keep building it and apply more if you need to. But yeah, just wanted to show you. I'm going to finish off doing lashes and brows in a sec, but I just wanted to show you that video because so many of you have asked me. So hopefully that helps. Comment and let me know.